Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve SQL coding question 3436 valid email addresses. So we have to find valid email address. So we are going to write a SQL query to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. It really helps and supports this channel. On this channel, we create videos to help others in their interviews, Java and SQL related coding questions. More than 500 different varieties of solved problems are available for you on this channel, so don't forget to check out those playlists. You are definitely going to learn a lot by watching these videos. So let's start with the problem statement. So a user's table is given to us with two columns. User ID is int and email is varchar. User ID is the unique key of this table and each row contains user's unique ID and email address. Write a solution to find valid email addresses. A valid email address meets the following criteria. So there are rules of what a valid email address can be basically. So they are specifying these are the rules, right? So it contains exactly one @ symbol. It ends with .com. The part before @ symbol contains only alphanumeric characters and underscores, right? And the part after the @ symbol and before the .com contains domain name that contains only letters. So these are the rules that the email address should follow. Then it is considered as a valid email address. Return the result table order by user ID in ascending order. Okay, so this is one good example they have given us. So you can take a look here. So so allies at example.com is one valid email address, right? And so Bob at example.com, this is not valid because there is no @ sign, right? Then Charlie at example.net is not valid because it should be .com. Here they are saying .net, so it's not valid. David at domain.com is a valid email address because it follows their rules, and Eve at invalid is not valid, right? Because there is no .com or domain address there, right? So this is not a valid. So you can see that actually in the given 5 users, we only found out these 2 users which has a valid email addresses, right? So this is what we want to find out. So this is a very practical situation where you have user table. Most of the real-time applications have email addresses, right, in some of their tables, and we want to find out sometimes the wrong email addresses get into those tables and we want to find out those addresses or valid addresses, vice versa, right? So you should know how to write these kind of queries in interviews. So now this is a very good example where we can use a regular expression, right? The perfect example. So I'll show you a regular expression, how you can uh, construct a regular expression that will follow these rules, right? So here is one example here, right? So here we are selecting user ID email from users table where email regexp. So here we are writing a regular expression. This is a regular expression, right? So now we have to create that regular expression so that these rules are there. So you can see here that this email address, you can see that it's starting with alphanumeric characters. So you can see that the part before @ symbol contains alphanumeric characters and underscore. So here underscore also we have to add, right? And these are the alphanumeric character A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. So this is what you will have many times plus symbol and before @ sign, right? So this @ sign is there, correct? Okay, so this part you understood. Now other simple part is .com. So it should always end with a .com. So you can see that it's ending with .com here. Now after that, the part after @ symbol and before .com contains domain name that contains only letters, right? So this part basically. So these are all the letters basically, correct? So A to Z and small a to Z plus, right? And then / and then you have to put .com there, correct? And you will see that these all the rules are captured in this regular expression, right? So if it matches this regular expression, we will get those users, right? And then we are just going to order by user ID because they want us to order by user ID ascending order. So let us go ahead and run this code and make sure this code works correctly with the test cases. So the test cases got accepted. As you can see here, we are finding a correct users, right? So these are the valid email addresses. Now we are going to submit this code and make sure this code gets accepted, this query gets accepted. and as you can see the query got accepted. So these numbers are changing. So let us try to rerun this query one more time. So now you can see that numbers change. So 68.0%, 08% faster. So this is how you can write down this regexp of MySQL to find out valid email address. Problem 3436 on Leetcode. So if you like this video, please give it a like to this video, give it a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription are very helpful and important for this channel. Share these videos with your friends so they will also learn how to solve these kind of problems. On this channel you will find more than 500 different varieties of solved coding problems, SQL problems, Java problems. You can learn lots of different data structures by watching these videos, such as priority queues, hash set, hash map, uh, stacks, so all these data structure problems are there. Problems related to graphs, binary search trees, binary search, recursion, memoization, dynamic programming, everything is available on this channel for you. So don't forget to check them out, and keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems. And thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.